Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Nissan Versa headlight. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts. Remove the fasteners securing the inner splash shield or bumper if needed. Access the headlight rear cover and twist out the bulb socket. Swap the bulb with matching type and reassemble in reverse order while testing the beam alignment. Prepare your workspace with good lighting and a clean surface so you can keep screws and clips organized. Wear gloves to prevent skin oils on the bulb and bring the car manual for reference. Double-check the replacement bulb type matches the old one and confirm you have the right sockets and tools before loosening anything. This saves trips and prevents damage to plastic clips or wiring during the swap. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so more guides reach you. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make parts storage tidy and prevent spills when you move screws and bulbs around. They are a simple win for any DIY project. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Begin by removing any splash shield fasteners and moving the bumper cover if required for access. Unplug the headlight wiring harness by gently depressing the release tab and pulling straight out. Turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to free it, then remove the bulb with care to avoid breaking it. Compare the new bulb to the old one for correct fit, then install, reconnect, and test the light before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.